Okay, so we got this situation. Now look at this. You can observe that there is a number written in the coefficient of binomial thing, correct? So what I want to tell you is, now you know that you have to take help of differentiation, correct? But look at this. Do you think 1 plus x power n can help? If you will go with that idea, you will have over here you will have 17c1x, and if you differentiate x you will have 1 not 5. Okay, here you will have x square, if you will differentiate you will have 2 not 8. So the coefficient is not matching, correct? So we have to apply some different thing. So for that, what we should do, just write formula for TR. Okay, now look at this. If you'll observe, every element is having 17c, 17c. So I will be writing 17c. Okay, now for the first term, they have used lower subscript as 1, second term lower subscript as 2, third term lower subscript as 3. So rth term lower subscript would be r. Okay, now we have to write down, we have to create some pattern between 5, 8, 11. So if you will observe 5, 8, 11, you will find that these numbers are in AP. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So whenever numbers are in AP and you wish to write down the general term, you should go with dn plus or minus something. Okay, now what is the common difference? If you'll observe, the common difference is 3. So write 3n. So you know that it will take an formula. So the first value of n is 1. So it will become 3. Now what you will do with 3 to make it 5? You will add 2. है ना? Now, so this becomes the general term. Here, over there it is in n. Now here you have to write in r. So we will have 3r plus 2. Is that okay? Now can we segregate them? So we will have 3 times r, 17cr plus 2 times 17cr. Okay, now look at this. Now we are good to go with the property. Now we can apply the summation property. So you know that it starts with r equals to 1 till 17. Okay, so 3r 17cr plus 2 17cr. Now you know that summation can be distributed when it is in addition or subtraction. Okay, and if anything is in constant, if anything is constant, you can take that thing as outside. So we will have summation of r starts from 1 to 17, and then we will have r 17cr plus 2 constant summation r starts from 1 to 17, 17cr. Okay, now let's break these things. So let's break the first part. So you can write this thing as 1 time 17c1, 2 time 17c2, 3 time 17c3, dot dot dot. Okay, 17 time 17c 17. So this is the first part. In second part, what will happen? You will be having 2 times 17c1, 17c2, dot dot dot, 17c17. Correct? Now you know that here number are in the coefficient. So we can take help of differentiation. So what we will do, we will take help of 1 plus x power 17. Now if we will open this thing, we will have 17c0 x power 0 plus 17c1 x power 1, 17c2 x power 2 dot dot dot, and then 17c17 x power 17. Now look at this. Suppose that I want to solve this thing first. We can solve both of them using one idea only. So look at the first idea. So suppose this is all binomial coefficient except 0. So can I replace x with 1, and then we will have what? We will have, wait a moment, we will have 2 power 17 is equal to 17c0, 17c1, 17c2 dot 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 17c17, correct? And look at this, it starts from 1 ends at 17. So can I send this thing that side? You know it is 1, है ना? So 2 power 17 minus 1 is the part of that thing. So the answer for this part is what? 2 times 2 power 17 minus 1. Okay, now look at the first part. So you know that now you have to do differentiation of this thing to get the required result. Okay, so we will go with the differentiation of this function. So we will have 17 1 plus x power 16 is equal to 0 plus 1 time 17c1, 2 time 17c2 x, 3 time 17c2, sorry it is 3, okay, dot 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 17 times 17c17 x power 16. Now what we will do, we will replace x with 1. So 17 times 2 power 16 is equal to this first part. This first part is same, no? Not that one, this one. Okay? So we can write that thing as 3 times 17 into 2 power 16. Okay? Now this is the required answer. You can simplify this thing to get the required result. Okay? I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and you can handle similar situations. Okay?